Number 6. Come under attack. It means to be attacked or heavily criticized.
The government's policies came under attack. The government's policies came under attack. He came under attack during the debate. He came under attack during the debate. Their team came under attack in the second half. Their team came under attack in the second half.
Number 7. Come down. It means to decrease in price.
If food comes down in price, we can buy more. If food comes down in price, we can buy more. When fruit is in season, prices often come down. When fruit is in season, prices often come down. Hopefully, coffee prices come down soon. Hopefully, coffee prices come down soon.
Number 8. Mist comes down. It means for mist to fall or settle.
As the mist comes down, visibility gets worse. As the mist comes down, visibility gets worse. The mist comes down on the town every evening. The mist comes down on the town every evening. Early morning, the hills are where mist comes down. Early morning, the hills are where mist comes down.
Number 9. Book comes out. It means to be published or released.
Her new book comes out next month. Her new book comes out next month. I'm waiting for a book that comes out soon. I'm waiting for a book that comes out soon. The latest novel from my favorite author comes out tomorrow. The latest novel from my favorite author comes out tomorrow.
Number 10. Film comes out. It means to be released in theaters or for public viewing.
The new superhero film comes out this Friday. The new superhero film comes out this Friday. Everyone's excited for when the film comes out. Everyone's excited for when the film comes out. The film comes out in June next year. The film comes out in June next year.